objection?
I object.
The objection has been registered by the Honorable
Ito na.
Benny Abante, which means we shall proceed to divide the House.
Salamat, Sir Tony.
Please be
Like,
ready
like,
to vote. Again, the motion is to open the BIR box.
Yan.
Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand.
In favor na buksan. Sino may gustong buksan yan? In favor. Hoy, maraming hindi nag-raise ang hand, ah. Nako po. O, si Isidre, nag-raise ng hand. Makabayan Black. Gabriela, Kabataan. Saint Benedict, shout out Kapsat, Saint Benedict.
You may put down your hands.
Mukhang hindi mabubuksan pa.
Those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand.
Wag bubuksan, wag bubuksan. Ay, tapos ang laban. Sir Tony, hindi bubuksan. Ayaw nilang masayang yung pinaghirapan ng 2 months. Para sa akin, okay ako doon, mga kapsat. Personal opinion ni Maestro, wag bubuksan kasi masasayang yung pinagpaguran ng 2 months. At tatawa ulit ang mga DDS, mga garapata. Tatawa yung mga yan kapag binuksan. Mata-technical, start over again ang mangyayari. Start over again. Oh, majority.
You may put down your hands. Those who abstain, please raise your right hand.
Wala nag-abstain, wala.
That concludes the voting. Comsec, please submit the result of our vote.
Okay, anong resulta? Landslide. Tama lang, tama. Nasa tamang kwan. Guys, ako na, personal opinion lang, ha, tama yung ginagawa ng
With
Kongreso.
6 votes
6 votes.
in the affirmative
Uy! Rex TV,
and
sabi.
38 votes in the negative, with 0 abstention, the motion to open the box is hereby denied. So ruled.
Denied. Dako po.
Let it be placed on the record
Denied,
that the
mga kapsat.
committee
Denied.
will not open the box.
Oh, hindi bubuksan yung box.
The COMSEC is directed to continue preserving and taking care of the sealed box until the committee decides on the existence or non-existence of probable cause. So ruled.
Madam Chair,
The Honorable Lawrence Defensor.
Madam Chair, I move that the box, opened or unopened, constitute part of the official records of this committee since it was officially transmitted by the BIR and officially received by this committee, that it shall form part of the official records that will be transmitted to plenary and to the Senate if necessary.
Second, Madam
Second,
Chair.
Madam Chair.
There is a motion to keep the box open or unopened as part of the official records of this proceeding. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Let the box form part, though the same is sealed, form part of the official records of this impeachment proceedings. That concludes our resolution on the matter laid on the table. We shall now proceed to the next item in our agenda.
Madam Chair. Madam
The Honorable Rog Gutierrez.
Madam Chair, just a short motion since we're done with the major motion. May I move, with all due respect to our colleague, Pastor Benny Abante, may we move to strike from the records any mention of the conversation regarding the pronouns used for our colleague, Mr. Marcoleta. I personally, this representation believes that that conversation is not germane to discussion.
The conversation is about?
Yung sa he, her,
right.
Madam Chair.
Check on,
There is
Madam
a
Chair.
motion to strike off from the record the manifestation or question of the Honorable Benny Abante about whether the chair is using her in reference to the Honorable Marcoleta. Is there a second?
Check on.
The same has been seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. Please strike off the record all manifestations concerning the use of the chair of her in making reference to the Honorable Marcoleta.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Brian Poe.
Madam Chair, before we move forward, I just want to make a quick manifestation and an appeal to our colleagues na kung pwede, if we can refrain from using pop culture references in our manifestations and statements. This is a serious matter. This is the impeachment of the second highest official in our government. And I believe it should be treated with the
Orlando,
same
shout
amount
out.
of
Orlando.
respect and gravity. Kaya moving forward, I'd like to point that out. Second, Madam Chair, I just want to point out that your reference of our colleague Marcoleta about not being a member of the Committee on Justice was not a slight or to make light of his position as a congressman, but rather para alam din ng mga constituents ni Congressman Marcoleta na if he's unable to vote on the matters, that it is not his responsibility as he is not a member of the Committee on Justice. I just want to clarify para our colleague knows that this was meant in the utmost professional manner. Maraming salamat po.
All the manifestations of the Honorable Brian Po are noted by this committee. Before we proceed to the next item, may we direct the committee secretary to call again the Vice President.